Hello YouTube, welcome back to another How to Draw with Dylan. In today's lesson, I'm going to be showing you all how to draw one of the most popular Marvel superheroes, the Black Panther. So in this video, we're going to be using a grayscale marker, a Prismacolor one, to get the basic sketch of the drawing. And then when we've got that down, we are going to commit to the drawing with a very black Sharpie marker, or you can use a crayon. If you don't have one of these, you can use a pencil, or you can look for this on Amazon. So we're gonna get out our grayscale marker, or whatever you use, and start with a circle for his head. And get his center lines, and then his upper body. Then we're gonna get a put these shoulders. These are just the guides. Just keep it really loose. Don't worry about anything, as long as you got a grayscale marker or a pencil. And his lower body. And then we're going to get his legs. And this one's going to be a little bit bent, like he's in action. And that's one of the keys to drawing a superhero in dramatic action. Having one leg straight and having one leg a little bent. So we've got our basic stick figure building block of the character. Now we get into the further details. And the Black Panther has these ears that are a little bit like Batman's and Wolverine's, but they're a little short. And his shoulders and his arms and his body. You can hold your marker or pencil this way if you want. You can goof off with it a little bit as you put in these shapes. We're just going into his basic body. And put these little triangles for his feet. That's just a guide for his arms. And we can put in some further details if we'd like, as this kind of his belt. Then get some of these stripes on his costume. These are the claws. And same thing with over here. It's a cat-like character. And we can get his feet. And make sure you get his knees as well. And put these little claws on his feet too. They're kind of like martial arts slippers or some sort. So now we have a very nice and loose grayscale drawing of our character. And now we're going to commit to this drawing with a black Sharpie marker. So what you do is you carefully go over the stuff that you want to keep in your drawing. Just like this. So I'll get his head. So we're going to get these eyes. Then we're going to make sure you also put some shadows on him. Just go over everything that you want to keep and make sure you leave some areas not black. Creates a highlight. And his neck. And now we can indicate his claws. Just be very careful with these. So I'll get his wrist. And don't forget to get his gloves with these details on them. Just be very careful with this. Because unlike pencil marks, markers can't be erased on paper. We're gonna fill everything in. And get some details on the sides as well. Gonna fill all that in. We got that. And don't forget details here. And we're gonna get his belt. Now we'll get his legs. We'll just get the outer edges first. We're just gonna, let's just say for the legs that we get into the details before we fill his costume in. Gotta get that boot of his. And now we'll fill in his legs. And there we have it. That is the Black Panther. I hope you had fun learning how to draw this. And if this video helped you, like this video, subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time. Bye.